Today, I wanted to just change up my nail art from yesterday. This nice set that we had done yesterday for the blizzard. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to remove my stones and I'm just going to file a little bit. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of polishes and maybe some gel color here, some blue, just to make it kind of more glossy. So I'm not going to do too much, just going to change it up a little bit and just let me get my stones and everything removed and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I am back. Now, I think what I'm going to do, I got all my stones removed. I filed down a little bit, got rid of all that old polygel from putting on my stones. Don't think I'm going to add any stones today. This is a blue jelly, but I thought maybe I'll add a little bit more sparkle. I have this one, it's called Glass Heart. And thank you, Toby. And that one is from the Urban Collection Niao, and this is Mermaid Tears Glitter. Now this one's more of a greeny blue. This one is not very transparent though, so I gotta be very sparse with it. And then I've got my China Glaze. This is the one that comes out very, very just light, see-through hollow. I love this one too. So I'm trying to kind of decide what I'd like to do, and I'm thinking that I'm going to add some of this, oh yeah, this Glass Hearts over. Oh, it gives it more of a blue reflective. Oh, yes. So I'm going to add that over. I don't know if you can see that, but the only one I didn't add it on was the white one here. I think this one I might go more of the deeper blue. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Oh, hope if I plugged in. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cure that. And then I think what I'll do is I'll do the same on this hand with this nice shiny blue. Just add some more shine to it. And this blue jelly, I'll add it almost like just to top it off, give it more of a blue tinge. Just to make it shine. And I don't think I'll add any stones today. I think I'll keep it fairly simple that way because it's gonna be a lot going on already. And I have a few other nail arts I'd like to share today, so I'd like to get on with things. So I'll cure this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I added some of that Glass Hearts on my other hand too. It really just woke those up. I think what I'd like to do is some of this Mermaid Tears, you'll see how deep this is. I think I'm going to go over the white with this, make it really more pigmented. Like really, really more pigmented. Look at that. Woohoo! I don't think I'm gonna add it on all of them though, just the two white ones here. Oh, so pretty. Those guys are so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna cure those and I'll be right back. Okay, so I added those. I think I'm going to go through and just add a little bit more sparkle with this China Glaze one. It is like a hollow, very, very light hollow. But it makes everything very, very sparkly. because heck, we're at this point now. Why stop? Lots of sparkle. Lots of sparkle. Oh, so pretty. So, so pretty. I love the sparkle. Oh, it's so nice and quiet in here. Jeez, the kids have gone to school. Oh, you gotta love that when the kids go to school. Wow, it's been a crazy few weeks. So, because of course you got Christmas, and so the kids were all off, and we had we've all been kind of going through this viral infection and sickness. Mine seemed to get really, really bad. I'm still fighting it, but it's almost gone. I can still feel it a bit, but I'm getting there. And you know, and with going back to school, then they've been striking at school, so there's been days off, and we've had all these meetings with Faith's teachers because she's flunking out of high school, and of course, I think we've got that figured out, but we'll have to see what happens with that, but it's been crazy. All right, so now that one's cured. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for the other hand. I know it's not a huge change that I'm making, but I'm just adding, I don't know, just to change it up a little bit. Get bored easily. And so I'm gonna just finish this one off here. I'm gonna cure that and we'll come back before, I think I want to deepen it up with that blue. So I'll be right back. Okay, so those are cured now, and we're gonna go ahead and add our blue jelly. Now this is gonna deepen it up quite a bit, but I thought the blue glassy water, ooh, so pretty. Just really change things up a little bit. Light blue to a deeper, more, whew, so pretty. I love blue, but I love all colors. I really do. I love color. I just want to make sure I got that properly there. And sometimes after I do a paint job like this, I'll actually, after I even top coat and everything, I'll do a light file if I've added quite a bit, just to make sure that everything's not too lumpy and I get my shape back. Sometimes you lose your shape a little bit after all this playing with it and stuff. Like you can see little inconsistencies and stuff. And I'll do that. And then I might lightly do one more top coat after all of that, just to finish that off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cure this to the other hand and I'll be back. Okay, I did them. I cured them. I even did a slight little bit of filing just to redo the shape a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and top coat. And I'll go ahead and cure that. And then we'll meet back here for reveal shots. Okay, so here I'm done. I'm just gonna add my cuticle oil. And just give you a quick shot of my nails. So you can still see through quite a bit. And you can still see all the like foil I had on yesterday. So they're still pretty sparkly and see-through. That's why I kind of like those gel polishes. You can still get quite a bit of translucency through them. And that's the nails for today. I have a couple more things to share with you, so I'll talk to you later. Bye.